Inflation is a reality that affects many aspects of our lives, from food and gas to housing. As the cost of living continues to rise, it can be difficult to make ends meet. But there are ways to save money and ease the financial burden. In this video, we will explore 10 quick and effective ways to save money that you can start using right away. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. 1. Carry a water bottle. Thirst is a common and natural feeling, but it can also lead to unnecessary spending. Buying drinks like soda or shakes may seem small, but they can add up over time. A simple solution is to carry a reusable water bottle with you, which can be filled up throughout the day. Not only is water a healthier choice, but it's also a cost-effective way to stay hydrated. Additionally, you can personalize your water by adding fruits or herbs to it, or even cold brew coffee. By switching to a reusable water bottle, you'll be amazed at how much money you can save over time. 2. Have a digital and social cleanse. Social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram can be a major source of impulse buying. To avoid this, taking a break from these platforms can help you make more mindful and conscious decisions about your spending. You can start small with a weekend break and gradually increase the time you spend away from social media. Social media often makes us compare our lives to others and can make us feel inadequate, leading us to buy things we don't need or can't afford. By limiting your time on social media, you can also use that time to focus on more productive activities and can save money on unnecessary expenses like cable or streaming services. Consider doing a social media cleanse each year to see how it can positively impact your finances. 3. Learn to say no. It can be difficult to say no, especially when it comes to social situations and trying to keep up appearances. As social beings, we want to be liked and accepted by others, which can lead to overspending and getting ourselves into financial trouble. However, it's important to remember that setting limits on your money is not a bad thing and doesn't make you a bad person. If a friend keeps asking for financial help and you can't afford it, it's okay to say no. Friends who truly care about you will understand and support your financial decisions. Additionally, if you didn't plan for a party or trip and it's not within your budget, it's better to not go. This can help you save more money and grow your savings. 4. Plan ahead. If you are honest with yourself, you know you pay more when you are doing things last minute. Plan ahead for everything. Write a to-do list and include everything you need to do. If you have a housewarming event coming up, shop early when you have the time to browse cheaper options, rather than doing it last minute and having to pay full price. Giving gifts is something that takes up money too. About $650 of your budget goes into gifts, but you can be wise about it. Make sure your plan includes what you will wear and what you will eat, and what payments you need to make. Have a capsule wardrobe or multi-purpose clothes that can go to work and a night out. This is shopping smart. With a to-do list, you will be able to prioritize what you need to do first. That focus will allow you to knock things off quickly. You've probably heard the statement, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. If you don't know what needs to go out first, you will end up making calls to friends and family to help you out, because you spent everything else on non-essentials and have your bills left unpaid, or calling in a babysitter last minute who will ask for more money. 5. Automate your savings. Saving money is essential for your financial health, but it can be hard to remember to do it when there are other urgent expenses. One solution is to automate your savings by setting up a direct deposit from your paycheck into your savings account. This way, you can save money without having to think too much about it. Another tip is to set limits on your spending by taking out your savings first, so you only spend what you can afford. Additionally, you can set up automatic payments for your bills and emergency fund, so you don't forget to pay them and avoid late fees. This way, you'll have money set aside for unexpected expenses, and your savings will be protected. 6. Use public transport. Think carefully before buying a car. Consider if you truly need one or if you're just buying it to impress others. Cars are expensive to maintain, insure, and fuel. Plus, they lose value quickly over time. Instead, consider using public transportation like buses, trains, or taxis. They will get you where you need to go without the extra cost. Another option is to walk or bike to your destination. Not only is it better for the environment, but it's also good for your health. If you must have a car, consider buying a used one to avoid the problems that come with a new one. 7. Have a home garden. Gardening is a necessary part of life, and even if you're fasting, you'll have to stop at some point. To save money in the long run, consider investing in a home garden. Having a garden will allow you to spend less on groceries and cook at home more often. Eating out can be convenient, but it can also be a major expense. Instead of spending more than $3,000 a year on eating out, consider cutting back and only doing it once a week. Having a home garden can also help you plan your meals for the week ahead, which can help prevent food waste and save you money. Overall, having a garden is a simple way to save money on food in the long run. 8. Declutter your space. The space you spend most of your time in reflects what's going on in your mind, so it's important to keep it clean and organized. Get rid of things you don't need and put everything in its place. This way, you'll know what you have and won't buy duplicates. Also practice the rule 1 for 1 by cleaning up not only your physical space but also your emotional space. Choose relationships that are important and meaningful to you, rather than constantly attending social events. Have a small group of close friends you can rely on. Additionally, make sure to take time for yourself to relax and reflect. Living with gratitude means you won't feel the need to constantly acquire more things, as you already have enough. 9. Go digital with your entertainment. Way to relax and enjoy yourself, but it doesn't have to cost a lot of money. By going digital, you can save money and have more space in your home. Whether you enjoy movies, books, music, or photography, you can find many ways to access them online at a lower cost than buying physical copies. You can save the physical copies for the ones you truly cherish. Additionally, by going digital, you won't have to purchase extra storage space. There are also many online board games and video games that can be played without buying the physical copies, such as Scrabble Go and Xbox Game Pass, which will let you enjoy your hobby without spending too much money. 10. Pay with cash. Using cash instead of credit cards or online payments can help you save money by setting a clear spending limit. When you only shop with cash, you are physically limited to how much you can spend. This can also prevent impulse purchases and overspending. Additionally, not being able to shop online can further reduce your expenses as it eliminates the temptation of online shopping sales and deals. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.